Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick but super useful tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can remove the Mailchimp logo from your email campaigns. Nothing says professional like a beautifully branded email without any extra logos attached, right? So by the end of this video, you'll know whether you can remove that branding and how to do it in just a couple of clicks. Let's get right into it. So first things first, go ahead and open up your Mailchimp account and head over to your email design. This is the template or campaign you've been working on. Maybe it's for your latest newsletter, a special offer, or just a test to see how things look. Either way, make sure you're in the design editor and you can actually see the layout of your email on the screen. Now look for the area where you manage your branding. Typically on the left side of your screen, you'll see a bunch of options, including things like style, blocks, and most importantly for today, brand. Click into that brand section. This is where Mailchimp lets you set up things like your official logo, brand colors, and even default fonts so that everything you send out matches your business's vibe. Inside the brand menu, you should see a little toggle or option that says Show Brand or something very similar. Don't worry if this takes a moment to find. The interface can be a tiny bit different depending on Mailchimp updates, but usually it's right on the left sidebar, easy to spot. The Show Brand toggle controls whether Mailchimp's own logo appears at the bottom of your outgoing emails. If you want your emails to look super clean, just like they came straight from your company and not from a third-party provider, this is the switch you want to know about. Go ahead and click or turn off that Show Brand toggle. It's that simple. Once it's off, the Mailchimp logo is removed from the bottom of your email. Just like that, you've got a much more polished and professional look. If you've ever wondered how other brands send out those super sleek emails with only their logo on them, this is the trick they're using. Now, here's an important note I need to mention. If you're on Mailchimp's free plan, this option to turn off the Show Brand toggle is actually restricted. That means Mailchimp requires free users to display their logo in all outgoing emails. It's their way of spreading the word about their service, and unfortunately, there's no handy workaround or secret setting for this one. If you're on a paid plan, great, you have this control. But if you're sticking with the free version, just know you won't be able to remove Mailchimp's branding. Don't let that discourage you. It's still a very robust tool, and having that little logo doesn't make your emails any less effective. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Once you've switched off the brand logo, Mailchimp will remember your choice for future emails too, so you don't have to repeat this every single time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another Mailchimp feature you'd like to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.